Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is Pure Dating app and how to use that. So let's get started. So here is Pure Dating app. Okay, so Pure Dating app is a dating app where you can use it. Okay, for your dating life. For example, if you have made your account here, and you can just go it here and go to the ad. You can see, and you can show to publish here. Like for example, you can just purchase this premium and you can just find your partner from here and you can date them. So basically this app is a modern app for Gen Z's, upgraded version of the Tinder, and you can use it. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.